Today, we're going to discuss how to generate codes in ASP.NET MVC using C#. How's it going, everybody? Today, we're going to learn how to generate QR codes in ASP.NET MVC Core using IronBarcode library. So let's jump right in. First, as you can see, we have the NuGet package manager. I've already installed the IronBarcode package version 2025.12.6 for this project. So here's our QR code model class. It's really simple, just one property called QR code text that will hold the text or URL that we want to encode. The display attributes sets the label for our form. Moving to our QR code controller, we're injecting iWeb host environment through the constructor to access the web root path for saving our QR code images. The post action is where the magic happens. I've hidden the license key in a region. In production, store this in configuration files, never hard code it. So let's break down the generation process. First, we call QR code writer.create QR code in our text. Then we customize it, adding annotation text above saying QR code generated by Iron QR code and displaying the barcode value below. We set the background to white and the barcode color to medium violet red for that pink appearance. For file handling, we create a path in www root folder called generated QR code. If it doesn't exist, go ahead and create it. Then we save the QR code as a PNG file and then construct a complete URL display in our view. This URL goes into viewbag.qrcode URI. In our view, we check if viewbag.qrcode URI has a value. If it does, we display the generated QR code image using an image tag with bootstrap styling. Our routing is configured to use QR code as the default controller and create QR code as the default action. This means that the QR code page loads when you start the application. So let's go ahead and run the application. All right, so the browser opens up showing our form with the input field and create button. So I'll enter the Wikipedia URL and click create. And perfect. Our QR code is generated. If you notice the pink color that we specified, the annotation text on the top saying QR code generated by IronQR, and the URL displayed at the bottom. So this QR code is fully functional and scannable. You can go ahead and scan it with any QR code app, and it'll take you directly to the Wikipedia page. The image is then saved to www.root/generated QR code folder, and that's it. QR code generation and ASP.NET MVC using IronBarcode is quick and straightforward. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode, go ahead and go to our site, sign up for the trial, proceed to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out.